Ho 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 my metalheads, it's Christmas season and we haven't checked Wagakki band for quite some time now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to some ancient Japanese music mixed with modern instruments, but this time we're gonna do it kind of differently. Wagakki band is collaborating with the singer of Evanescence, Amy Lee, to bring me to life. I don't know, live performance, but I don't know where it is, in front of our screens, and we're gonna react to it, guys. Tino's here from the channel, the love of Tino's. The channel is bringing the most entertaining and epicest reactions, meta reactions on YouTube. Today's not a meta reaction, it's kind of like a rock reaction, but I can't wait how Wagakki band remixed this song with the singer of Evanescence, Amy Lee, and just like created it. We're gonna see it in front of our screens right now. Make sure you like, subscribe, you click that bell, and let's get going. Hope this video is not gonna get blocked. Let's see. Oh, different kind of like vibe. Wait, there's no piano? Oh. Okay, we got Emily singing. This is so cool, guys, seriously. Oh, they have it in the lyrics on the big screen. Okay, the singer of Wagakki band. Okay, she's singing in English. Alright, let's go. Come on. I can hear some guitar in the background. The flute guy is amazing, guys. Let's go, come on. And the guitar is just like, that's the wake me up. Oh my god, guys. What a remix this is. This is so great. Like from the beginning, that they started with that traditional Japanese string instrument, playing the intro of Bring Me to Life, and then they had the flutist as well, and some just like wood banging. This was incredible, guys. And here we go. Come on, here we go. The chorus. Let's go. Come on. Oh, that was so cool. With that instrument, that was so cool, guys. Man, this guy. And these harmonies from the two singers, guys, seriously, they just like practiced it over and over again, just like to bring their individual tone to like one level that's gonna sound like incredible, And then you have the guitarist, just have his own part as well, But what I hear is that in this mix, the flute, you can hear it a lot, the Japanese traditional flute, you can hear it a lot. It's not that I don't like it, but okay, for Wagakki band, these are their traditional instruments and what they mostly using. So it's cool to hear something like this. It's really cool. So let's just continue listening to it. I like that instrument as well. Oh my god, the crowd is going crazy. Wow, what a minute. That's so cool. That's so cool. The harmonies together. So cool. this guy is even growling as well. He's playing the 8/7 string guitar on a song like this, and he's just like rolling as well out of nowhere. What's going on? But the harmonies of all of them guys, the three of them, and the instrumentalists, you have to talk about the instrumentalists, you know, and they have like the whole orchestra in the back, you know. They just they made this masterpiece even more than a masterpiece, you know. Whoa, I like this version more, seriously, just my opinion. And the flute, what's going on? Guys, seriously, like only classical kind of orchestras like are able, you know, to mix all these different, you know, you have violins, you have so many contrabasses, you have like so many violas, you have so many flutes and trumpets and clarinets and everything. But like Wagakki band, with all this, with a whole freaking orchestra, and then these 8 people as well with different instruments, they just mix this so well. Like, you can hear everything. You can hear the flute, you can hear that ancient the traditional Japanese whatever string thing, is the guitar, the bass, the drums, the tambourines, whatever it is, the big one, the other string Japanese instrument like this. What the damn! It's amazing. Let's continue. Wow. Incredible. Nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. That's so incredible, guys. What the day. That was amazing. Guys, I never thought I was gonna experience something like this. Bring Me to Life was already like a banger, you know, from Evanescence back in 2000s. You know, when I heard it, I was like, whoa, especially those kind of like growlings that the guy was putting in the mixture of all this. And then you have Wagakki band collabing with Amy Lee and just like bringing this masterpiece to even like bigger masterpiece. That was incredible, guys. I really enjoyed it. Everything from the instrumental, because you must not talk only about the voices, you know, you must talk about the instrumental, because the instrumental was what made this song, you know, what made this remix possible, with the ancient Japanese string instrument at the beginning, and then you had the flute, then the tapping of the wood, and then they started singing, you know, and then went to the whole chorus, that the whole orchestra came in, and the guitarist was even singing as well. He done some growling after in the interlude part, and they brought everything together in the end with the violins, the trumpets, and it was just incredible, guys. Seriously, I enjoyed this live performance, and I'm glad some of you mentioned it when I was reacting to Wagakki band. Some of you mentioned it as well, to react to more Emily stuff. It was incredible, guys. Wagakki band, one band that I'm going to be reacting to more, and you mentioned a lot of other bands like Galnerius, like Nigenisu, like those kind of bands. I'm going to try to react to as much as I can. This holiday season is going to be everyday videos, so just sit back and relax, guys. The most epicest, most entertaining meta reactions on YouTube. Thank you guys for being here again. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, click that bell. And of course, guys, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Keep on headbanging, keep on chasing your dreams. Join the headbanging army, and may you have a Merry Christmas. Ho 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 ho.